Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name's Benson. What's yours? It's a beautiful Sunday. Holy crap, it's hotter out here than I realized. Actually, I came out and put a pork loin on the smoker, get it going for the next few hours, and there was an accident last night, you guys. There was a really bad thunderstorm, and somebody took a spill. The unicorn fell over. I left it up last night because it didn't look like it was going to storm. And so I was like, yeah, you'll use it tomorrow, just we'll leave it put up that way. I didn't have to blow it up again yesterday or today. And it like downpoured. We got like a really nasty storm. Luckily Uni's okay. Uni the unicorn is okay. It's gonna survive. I'm gonna get it put up here in a little bit. Actually, I'm waiting for Allie to get home, and she'll probably play with it. Actually, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. It's really blazing hot today. It feels like Tim's like 115 or something like that, between the 96 degree temperature and the 80-70% humidity or whatever we got going on now. So you can hear my AC cranking like a madman. Anyways, smoker's going, pork loin. We got chicken thighs in a tomato sauce, not like spaghetti sauce, and some like stewed tomatoes and some green peppers going in the slow cooker. I think we're gonna have hamburgers one night this week. So this pork loin's a lot bigger than the pork loin I showed you that I sliced up. I'm gonna steal the meat slicer again from my grandmother, probably slice this guy up, and who knows what else. But it's been a productive morning. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, and I've already edited the podcast. It's gonna go up tomorrow. That's Disney at a Distance on the DizTwit Network podcast group. Just look up DizTwit Network, all your favorite podcast locations. And I'm kind of getting in the mix of a few like one-shot D&D games. One of them's a Star Wars game. I have one coming up next weekend that's a one-hit, one-shot that somebody was looking for somebody on Twitter to play, and I was like, I'll play if you need somebody. And basically I'm doing it too so I can learn how to really like DM or GM games online and the different systems and stuff they use, because I want to get back into it, because most of the people that I like to play with don't live here anymore. They all moved away, or they lived 2 hours away, so they don't want to drive this far, you know, bi-weekly or every week to play. And so if I get an online game going, then I can even get more people, and I got multiple campaigns going. But I've been out of the loop for a while, so I don't know a lot of the electronic tools that they use, you know. So every time I turn on the camera, Bulldog's crazy. Hi, Tia. Hi. Hi, Tia. Hi, Tia. She's funny because out here on the porch we've got like an area for her to rest and stuff. So she's got like 4 gallons of water. Her food's here. She's got a nice little like laying area and stuff, so she's shaded and stuff. But I'm gonna get him a pool, I think. It wasn't this hot last summer, so I don't know. I'm gonna get her and Ellie a pool so when they're outside they can just go frolic in the water. Ellie might try and eat the pool though, because she's weird. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish getting some other stuff done. I gotta edit a vlog for tomorrow, and I just did a cooking video, Disney cooking video. I made Dole Whips with like 4 ingredients. You'll probably see that before you see this. Who knows? But anyways, go get done. JJ. I bounced out without the washing machine.
Just kidding.
Shot the GoPro. I'm out.
All of us Nerf War.
Yeah, it is, you butthead. What are you doing up on the freezer?
Because it's free.
Get off the freezer. You know what's funny is
No,
look, I'd have walked right past you if you hadn't screamed. I'd have probably walked right past you outside. Are you going with us to town?
no.
Well, kids go back to school tomorrow, so it's Allie's very first day of the 6th grade. She's a little nervous, but poor Chloe has been going for 6 hours. It's almost done, but sorry, weird side note. I just happened to look down at the temperature on the thermometer. But Jordan was too, his first day of 6th grade, so she's gonna do great though. She's a very energetic kid. You know, she's got a good personality and she's smart, so she makes friends really easy. But she's been with the same group of students for the last 5 years. But she had something occur with a kid last year that we had to handle, and she's worried about it causing any more issues for her, which I don't think it will, but Jordan's going to keep an eye on her too. So, and like I told her, I was like, if anything happens, we will be right there to take care of it again too. So, but anyways, I'm going to close this out because I'm about to pull the pork loin off. I got to edit videos. Podcast is edited. I did learn some interesting information on how to record the podcast since Google Hangouts is gone. I'm probably have to do a new video like how to start a podcast, especially for people who are recording with multiple groups, because once I test out and tweak some of the stuff I have. So, but anyways, I'm gonna close this out and go get done. It's like 8 o'clock. It's gorgeous out. I hear thunder, so I think we're gonna get a very similar storm to what we got last night, but I don't know yet. We'll see. It did rain a little bit earlier today, and it's definitely 100 times cooler than it was a few hours ago. It's very nice out here right now. Like, if you could hear it, it was thunder. So I can definitely tell there's a storm about to come in, and it looks like, according to the weather map, some of the storms coming in could get very, very nasty. So we'll see. Anyways, again, I'm gonna get this done, get this over with, get to editing. We love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Till tomorrow.